guys, Doug B here, your average axe-wielding hack. Welcome to Preset of the Week. Let's get into it. Well, here we are at the random number generator. Minimum 0, maximum 383. Let's hit generate. Number 317. All right, let's check that out. I checked, and preset number 317 is AVANT Jazz on all 3 units. The only difference I can find is that the reverb block on the FM3 uses economy mode, while the Axe FX3 and the FM9 use normal mode in the reverb block. Let's look under the hood of this preset. Since all 3 versions are the same, we'll stick with the Axe FX3 version again. It has 5 scenes. At least they're in your key. Stretching, you're one of them. Solo. And the interesting one, purposeful silence. Now besides the in and the out blocks, this preset uses 8 blocks: comp, amp, cab, pitch, multi-tap delay, delay, plex delay, and reverb. Now, this Friday, we're going to take a look at batch processing. Now, that's something that all you computer guys know about, but honestly, all Fractal owners should know how to do it. Seriously. Now, you don't want to miss that, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, I will see you on Friday.